Mine is very short. How many people are in manufacturing? How many people are in manufacturing? So let's speak very fast. How many people are in manufacturing, aside from myself? Because a lot of people have had our services. Okay, so the ABSAs, you need to work on manufacturing. There's a lot of services but not product. Karibuni Nakuru, this is not my first time in Nakuru, but what I want to say is, I'm sure you heard quite a bit about this company which has been here for, I think, more than any of us were born. Just to reassure you that it's still running. The product is still out in the market, so do not be scared if you're building. If you're getting tiles from CTM, get your cables from us. If you're not sure, if you're not sure about the quality, out there in the shops, factory is open, you can come and buy in directly for any developers or house owners. Now about the SME, this would be the second one for valuable brands. I want to say from experience that we did one in Kakamega. It was extremely successful. We launched our Western presence quite a bit with the Kakamega Expo. So I would encourage you to please come to Nakuru, the ones who are coming from Nairobi. Imagine you came from Nairobi in the morning, very tired, but you're here. SMEs are the future of the country. I don't think just Kenya, but I think in Africa. And I also want to encourage you, or rather probably challenge you, to look at not just locally, but outside Kenya. I want to give you homework before I leave, and I want to ask if any of you have engaged probably the chamber on how you can plug in using the AfCTF, African Countries Free Trade Agreement. How many have heard of that? We are all business owners and we want to grow. We need to tap into that. It's not very complicated. Please ask around, find out how you can plug in and you can grow your business using that idea. People are going out of the country, people are shipping out their products from Kenya. We're a global business. Mr. AI has spoken about it. We are global, so let's not just sit in Nakuru. Let's get out. Let's sell. We have benefited. Small business owners have benefited. They have a small branch that caters for SMEs. Doesn't matter how big or small you are. So, ask questions. The answers are there. I know Victor has sat at the chamber as a former CEO at Kakamega, so he can give you ideas about it. I'm not here rooting for the chamber, but I'm rooting for you to grow your business, because when you grow, then we all grow. And then again, the business is not just for us, it is for our kids, our grandkids. So you've got to leave them something, correct? Some legacy of sorts. So let's think wide. Thank you very much. Whoever wants a something, a gift, you have to give me a good reason. I'm sitting right there.
one of the good reasons should be, but that for that will come from ABSA. I don't know kama mtu atendea branch. The full name of ABSA, mimi najua.
I have no idea.
Really, you know?
I know. Amalgamated Banks of South Africa.
Okay, I'll come to you, get a gift.
Yeah.
But yes, let's network. I think it's a good thing. Nakuru is a big city, and you've got lots of potential. I mean, I look around, I see a lot of potential. So let's network, let's grow. Tuongee kidogo hapa na pale, even after the event. And yeah, let's get to know each other. Thank you very much. My name is Carol Munuhe. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm the Business Development and Strategy Manager at East African Cables. When I'm not running businesses, I am also mentoring young people, especially high schools and all that. And that's how I met Victor actually, so you can see how networks grow. When I'm not doing that, I'm doing other things. Kazi ya kina mama, but you get my drift. So thank you very much and have a good day.
Thank you very much.